Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, hope you have a good day today. So today I'm gonna show you how to use perspective warp tool to put something here, anything. So actually this picture is not here, so it was like this. Yep, and we're gonna put a new wallpaper, which is this one. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna tell you where I got all these pictures. Okay, so both of the pictures I got it from this, and the whole thing, I mean the guy with the laptop, I got it from this website. Okay, it's unsplash.com. Okay, beautiful free pictures where you can download any pictures from here. All the resolutions are very good and it's so useful. You can use it for your project, your website, your blog, and it has many categories. Okay, so it's a free high resolution photos, and yeah, it's royalty free photos, which if you use it, you don't disturb any artists. Okay, so it's very recommended on Unsplash.com. Alright, so we're gonna start. Firstly, okay, so I have the picture, this one, a beautiful mountain. Okay, which I'm gonna build another new layer. Okay, Control J as usual, because we don't wanna do anything with the original pictures. So let's just move this using move tool. Okay, move tool and put it here. Tara, it's too big. Okay, so you can just Control T, just Control Tangle. Okay, and alright, you can just put it somewhere here. Okay, for sure it's not gonna fit in if I put it like this, so I have to click enter now and go to edit. So choose perspective warp. Okay, firstly we're gonna build the base, so because I wanna put it on the screen, so I'm just gonna put it around the screen, the edge. Okay, alright, I think that's good, so click enter. So now I just have to drag. Yep, I just have to drag this. Okay, based on the base that I have created, so it's gonna follow everywhere you go. Yep. Okay. Alright. I think this side is like, yep. Okay. Alright. I think that's pretty good. Just click enter. Okay, wait. Okay, we're gonna do it again. I think because I saw one tiny dot there where I didn't fit in. Yep. Okay, enter and just bring it Bring it, bring it, bring it. Reach the edge first so you can just see it clearly. Yep. So it's very easy. How are you gonna do? Yep. Okay. I think that sounds good. This part. Okay, we can see this one. There is a tiny dot there. And we can work on it. Alright, that's good. So I think everything is very nice now. Tara, it fits there. So once again, it's perspective warp. You can use it for anything that you think you needed to fit in the picture, fit in exactly. Yes. Okay, so I think that's all. See you guys next time for other tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.